This is a question that many of us have asked ourselves before. Is this whole digital minimalism thing right for me?
No.
Today we were going to answer that question by exploring the philosophy of digital minimalism as espoused by its most famous proponent, Cal Newport, and asking whether that philosophy can work for you. Cal Newport is a computer science professor at Georgetown University and the author of several books, including Digital Minimalism, So Good They Can't Ignore You, and Deep Work. And if you haven't read any of those books, they're fantastic. I highly recommend them. But what is Cal Newport's philosophy? Well, in a nutshell, it's about taking control of your time and attention so that you can use them to create a rich and meaningful life. That sounds nice, doesn't it? But how does one go about doing that? According to Cal, it starts with becoming aware of how you're spending your time and then making intentional choices about how to spend it. We live in a world where there are constant distractions vying for our attention. Social media, email, television, and now AI chatbots like ChatGPT. It can feel like there is simply too much information out there, and it is difficult to know how to manage it all. However, Cal argues that it's not the amount of information that's the problem, it's how we choose to use it. We can't stop the flow of information from coming in, but we can control how much of it we let distract us. This is the essence of digital minimalism, the idea that we should intentionally select which digital tools and platforms we use, so that they enhance our lives rather than detract from them. So how do we do that? Well, according to Cal, it starts with awareness. We need to become aware of how we were currently spending our time and attention, and then make intentional choices about how we want to spend it. This means setting boundaries around when and where we check our email or social media, taking regular breaks from our devices, and being mindful of how our digital tools are affecting our focus and productivity. It also means being intentional about how we use new technologies. Before we adopt a new tool or platform, we should ask ourselves, does this add value to my life, or is it just another distraction? If it's the latter, then we should probably skip it. Becoming a digital minimalist isn't about rejecting technology. It's about using it intentionally. It's not about being less productive. It's about being more focused. It's not about disconnecting from the world. It's about connecting with what matters most to us. So is digital minimalism right for you? Well, that's a question only you can answer. But I hope this exploration of Cal Newport's philosophy has given you something to think about. Maybe it's time for you to take a little more control of your time and attention so that you can use them to create a rich and meaningful life. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.